This is my geek out face. No, not really. That would really hurt my eyes. Oh my god. This is kind of insane, I have to say. Look at that. Demos for like Nintendo Labo already. Oh my god. There's just so much going on. Oh, there's like a Pokemon Go thing right there, but I don't think there's anything there. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's so many gaming monitors. What? Little GoPro dog right there, that's adorable. Deadpool in Japanese, you know, gotta live at large. Oh my god, those look amazing. 4K. Amazing technology at your fingertips. That looks beautiful though, oh my god. Is that Deadpool? I think that's Deadpool that's playing. Oh no, it's not Deadpool. I'm being an idiot. Nope. Yep, it is Deadpool. That's funny. This looks quite dramatic. Whoa. That was an owl. That was an owl. Atmos. Gotta love that. You can test every tone and annoy everyone in the store. Sounds like a dream come true. Look at all these Blu-ray discs. Mitsubishi. Verbatim, is that what that says? Yes. Every Blu-ray disc you could possibly want is right here. Too bad everyone seems to like using Netflix instead of getting movies on an archived format, but it's fine. They're both compressed anyways. Even though Blu-ray is much better. Look at all the picture frames. Look at that. Fancy. I have barely seen anyone who's used these, honestly. They're pretty cool in concept, but kind of useless in practice, in my opinion. Oh wait, there's DVDs right here. Yeah, there's just DVDs right here even too. That's funny. Oh my god, it goes all the way up to the ceiling with DVDs. You know, I feel like, I wouldn't say that. Never mind. I was gonna say that it might be more commonly used. Get your picture with an anime girl, because why not? Make your dreams come true. It's so funny. It's just out of the blue right here. I don't even know who that is. I feel embarrassed. Oh, look at that. Headphone heaven. Whoa. Headphones galore. I have no idea what that brand is, but yeah, I've never even heard of these brands before. Like, I don't know if this is some Japanese brand or just some random brand, but oh, look at those over. There's some nice Audio Technicas over here. Oh my god, look at those Audio Technicas. Do you just like plug these in and try them out? You can totally try these out and plug them into your phone. Oh god, I'm geeking out. Sennheisers even, they have Sennheisers. Those are really, that is a really good brand. And then they just throw in random figurines too, just for the heck of it. Just to make it even more insane. Oh, look at that, they have speakers over there. I want to see those. Old style speakers. Ooh, what is that? That is weird. I have no idea what that is. Oh, turntables galore. Oh, look at that, it's some Marantz. Marantzes are fun. Denon, Audio Technica, JVC. They have it all, oh my god. Sony, Kenwood. Let's see. Oh man. I like the Wolverine guy. He's just having a hard day laying back on this JBL. I like these Star Wars, the Stormtrooper, and Kylo Ren just sporting these headphones. Can you just play whatever you want? Look at all these wonderful songs. I don't know. I haven't personally heard half of them, but oh boy. God, those are blasting. Can you change the speaker output on this? Hold on a second. I don't know how loud that's gonna be. That didn't do anything. Well, it's not playing now, so I might have screwed something up. Yeah, I think I screwed something up. Oops, I think I might just slowly walk away casually. Hey, Google. Google is everywhere now. You cannot escape the Google. More Audio Technicas, more earbuds, skull candies, because they have to have every brand on the planet here in Akibara or Electric Town. Every single brand, even JVCs. You can share whatever is on these with other people if you want to try them. Oh wait, do you like wipe them off beforehand? Oh, you totally can. That's interesting. Very fascinating. Insane. There's a bunch of gaming desktops in there. That's cool. Look at that. Oh, it's so cool. Look at this. There's so much stuff that you can just demo. An ultra wide monitor right here. This is really cool. That's really loud. That is really loud. This is so cool. Look at all the devices right here. So what is that? Is that like an air purifier? That thing's huge. And then there's just a random toaster and an AC. There's a GTX 750. Looks pretty much the same as in the US. Except, yeah. You might as well get a GT 1030, GT 1030 at the time of this video. Oh, here we go. There's so many DS games here.
UMDs. Oh, look at that. Amazon games, PlayStation games. Whoa. Let's see, what games are there? Is this Gran Turismo 3? Oh no, it's Gran Turismo 3. It's had a 3 right there, so I assume, is this Gran Turismo 3? No. Not everything is Gran Turismo 3 models. There's so many PlayStation 2 units just got mind boggling. Here's PSP. I wonder what this is. Game Boy Advance. Interesting. Any Pokemon? Oh, there's Dr. Mario. That's cool. What? That's awesome. PlayStation 3, PS Vita. Some of the more modern stuff too. Like Wii Sports Resort. Wii U, Switch. Because people want to give back their Switch games already. Kind of crazy. And saying that instantly dates this video, but it's fine. Oh, here we go. Here's GameCube. Ooh, that is cool. Let's pick one too. It's crazy. These are so much smaller than the US. Ooh, is that Super Smash Brothers? What? That's awesome. 24 bucks. What do you know? I wonder what else they have down here. Here's 3DS. God, there's just so much. I want to keep on looking at the GameCube games, but I know there's some really good games over here. I just saw them earlier. This is Mario Kart, Super Mario Sunshine, SNES game. There's like PlayStation 3s, Xboxes, Wii U's, Switch, because people just want to give that up early. And so that the video is saying that, but that's fine. Very cool.